Multi-station processing, all-around expert in the field of steel processing. GR H-series multifunctional compound laser cutting machine. With the acceleration of urbanization and the continuous promotion of infrastructure construction, the market demand of steel structure industry continues to grow. The market scale is expanding. In order to actively respond to the rapid development of the steel structure market, our company has launched the GR H-series multifunctional composite laser cutting machine to meet the needs of steel structure processing enterprises. For capacity expansion and market expansion, GR H-series product is a multifunctional composite laser cutting machine integrating H-beam, plate, pipe processing. This product is suitable for steel structure, construction machinery, rail transportation, shipping and other industries. The modularized bed table design can be matched arbitrarily according to your needs, whether you are processing H-beam, plate, pipe. You only need to match the corresponding table workpiece to meet your needs. It can carry out one-stop processing of files up to 1.5 meters in width and 0.6 meters in height. Opening, beveling, other welding holes, truncation. It can also carry out processing of opening, vertical cutting, beveling cutting for plates. If you still have the processing needs for square and round pipes, you only need to configure the corresponding pipe processing device, which will satisfy the opening, truncation of the pipes, and other processing needs. The design of multi-station realizes the synchronization of loading, unloading and cutting, which greatly saves your time and manpower cost, realizes the significant increase of production efficiency. The omnidirectional video monitoring system can help you to understand any wind and grass in the working area. In order to solve the industry problems such as cutting misalignment, cutting head bumping, non-perpendicular cutting holes, cutting head sticking to the head, and wing plate cutting without breaking in section steel processing, we carry a real-time measurement and compensation function of section steel size, drawing in real time through coarse positioning plus fine positioning, which measures and compensates the section steel workpiece. In order to improve processing efficiency and material utilization, we are equipped with an intelligent global nesting system with tubeless section steel plate nesting software, which seamlessly connects with Tekla, efficiently draws and samples, optimizes tool paths, and achieves ultra-high material utilization. Of course, in the production work, the most important thing is safety. In order to protect the personal safety of the staff, we have installed the encircling protection and safety light grating in the beam, and at the same time the inside of the encircling is also added with the anti-burning plate, double protection, to ensure that the staff is not harmed by the laser and mechanical injury. Choosing our GR H-series laser cutting machine can greatly reduce the processing procedures of steel sections, improve the processing efficiency, and reduce labor costs. Here, we sincerely invite you to pay attention to our products, understand our advantages, feel our enthusiasm. Whether you are looking for cooperation or communication, we will work together with you with an open mind and a professional attitude to create brilliance. Let's write our legendary chapter together in the wave of global steel structure industry.